Alright.
Alright.
There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there for you to drink. Hey, Ryan. Ryan, I gotta tell you a secret. Ryan! There's nothing in there, silly. Oh, did you get yourself wet? What are you doing? What did you do?
Just right up.
You cleaned it up? Alright, so I have an idea. Why don't we take this juice instead? Look what I got for you. Look, it's right here. Say please.
Please.
Say I love you, Mommy.
Mommy.
Say I love you, Mommy.
Mommy.
Okay, you come here. Where you going now? You gonna go play with your toys? What is that, Ryan? What is that? Hmm? Alright, come here, look.